Here's how to upload a private video on YouTube so only specific people can watch it. Go to youtube.com and make sure you are signed in to the correct account. Click Create in the top right, then select Upload Video. Click Select Files, choose your video file, and click Open. The video will begin uploading. While it uploads, give it a title and fill in any details you want. Click Next through the video elements and check screens until you reach the visibility screen. Select Private. This means the video will not appear in search, on your channel page, or in any recommendations. Only people you specifically invite can view it. Click Share Privately and type the email addresses of the people you want to give access to. Press Enter after each one to add them. You can also check Notify by email to send them a direct link automatically. Once your list is ready, click Done, then Save. Your private video is now live and accessible only to the people you invited. A tip: private is different from unlisted. Unlisted videos can be viewed by anyone with the link. They are not truly private. Always use private when you want strict control over who can watch. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.